bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again. I'm Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run. Bàbá olóyin kan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying that Yesota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Yesota. My telephone number is 081 084 31 336. Send your message on WhatsApp only. We don't have time to be answering calls on this number, on this channel, and go to our Baba Oloyin Original Television and answer call again. No. So we receive only WhatsApp messages. Please, I beg you, WhatsApp messages on this program, on this channel. This is Kelesho Television. My sister Sẹ̀san, or my other channel. My other channel is Baba Oloyin Original Television. You will meet me there as well and see some videos I posted there. Today, I want to tell you how you can protect yourself and family. Protect yourself and family. Get seated. Don't forget I'm the publisher of these books. African Power. Honors in Medicine. Solution to woman problems. This on the Bible so read that. Solution to woman problems. This is Healing Power of Honey. Healing Power of Honey. All these books, you can get them on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can get them as e-books. If you are not in Nigeria, then if you are in Nigeria, you cannot pay for delivery. You can get them on your email, WhatsApp, or Gmail. But if you can pay, we are using a very popular and reportable courier service in Nigeria. Very popular. If you pay, within 3 days, they will deliver your book to you. But if we are outside the country, you can get the books on your phone, online, email, Gmail, or emails. Yes. Our books are not on Amazon. A word is enough for the wise to fill up the gap. Our books are not yet on Amazon. Now, in African Power, I told you about these rules. That you can use these rules to reduce your sugar level. To reduce your sugar level. And you can even use it for manpower. You can use it for arthritis. You can use it for rheumatism. You can use these rules for back pain. Yes, gbogbo àsọkọ́lá ṣálórùn. We cannot put all our questions on the line at the same time. You can buy my books at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota, or you go to my agency in the town. I get branches in Lagos. I have a branch at Bariga. I have a branch at Ikotun. I have a branch at Surulere. I have a branch at Mushi. I have a branch at Oshodi. For Mushi, you can go to number 4 Alukolaro Street. Number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushi bus stop. When you go to Bariga, ask for number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. At Surulere, look at Surulere, Akerele. Go to number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Wood, Akerele, Surulere. number 5C, Akerele Street, opposite Power Holding, opposite NEPA, Akerele Surulere. You can get my product there. At Oshodi, go to number 6 Everett Way. Number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop. Alasia bus stop, Alasia Oshodi. Immediately after Bolade, if you are coming from Ikeja, before you reach Bolade, you will see a petrol station along the road. The third house to that petrol station, we are there. Number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia Oshodi. Or come to Abole bus stop, Yesota. And don't forget my new book is coming the way. African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. You will see something like a magic mirror I told you about. How you can recall back your runaway wife or runaway husband. Ọmọ tó ń ká lólo, if you have a small child of 2 years, 3 years, and it's a stammer, ọmọ tó ń ká lólo, what you can use is coming in my new book. In my new book. Yes, ewé oríjì, Yorùbá get ewé oríjì. Forgivenesses. Anything you do, they will forgive you. Fi ń tẹ́jọ́ ká, àtọ́mọ́lẹ́jọ́ court, Ọlọ́run méje àrẹ́jọ́, àtẹ̀bí àtàrí, Ọlọ́run méje àrẹ́jọ́, ewé oríjì lè fi parí iṣẹ́ yẹn. Pẹ̀lú kankan. You missing something. Ewé kí lẹ́ fi mí ṣe, we have a leaf. You can do me but nothing. You can do me but nothing. You can't do me anything. That's just it. What you can do, you have a court case, the thing you don't know about, how you can get it, is coming up in the new book. Ewé àánú, mercy leaf. Anywhere you go, people will show mercy to you. Whether they know you before or they don't know you. Anywhere you go, people will like you, admire you, and show mercy on you. It's coming up in a new book. Don't forget, ewé kílẹ̀ fọmọ mi ṣe, ewé mẹ́fọ́ kọmọ mi. Don't touch my children. It's coming up again, a new book. Ewé dandan, yes, it is compulsory. You will do me favor today. It's coming up, a new book. Ewé abisowo, I told you about it before, and it's more information about it is coming up in the book. Ewé abiwẹ́rẹ́, Aleboyuku, self delivery is coming up in a new book. Today, I promise you that protect yourself and family with this. I am coming up again with cooking salt. Cooking salt. Some people will just look at it. Maybe it's just for cooking. It's not just for cooking. I told you about how you can use other salt. Many people that are giving me gifts on that. Cooking salt. How you can use, in fact, many things I posted pertaining to salt. Then today I still want to tell you that you can use cooking salt in your sebe. Tell your children, whenever they want to take their bath, in the morning or night, they should put small salt. They should add small salt to the water they are going to use to bath. Both morning and night, they won't get bad dreams. People will not do bad dreams to them. I'm just telling you again today. It's reminder. Yes. Don't forget the program you are watching is Kelly Show, and you are watching me, Baba Oloye Original. Baba Oloye Original, Sẹ̀sán Adéwùsì, Tantolorun. I cannot do without thanking those people that are giving me money. I always thank you. I appreciate. They are giving money. Some people, when they buy books, they give me extra. And some people, they don't buy book. They just come down and give me your account number. The thing you are teaching us, they are working very well for us, especially those of us that are not in Nigeria. Don't forget, another book is coming the way. African Power Part 2. Watch out. Don't forget the thing I taught you today. Earlier on this program, okay, the show. Salt, cooking salt. I don't need to show it again. We are using it in your kitchen. It's very common. When some people go to market, when say pity some people will go to market, they used to forget salt. I remember when we were living face men, face two house. Some people say, "Yeah, Mubo, please borrow me salt." How can you do that? And yeah, when are you going to pay that type of salt again? Yeah, goody. If you can say, I forgot to buy salt. The person that forgot to buy salt, you will see the meat she want to buy, so want to cook. The person that gets the salt, she don't get that type of money to buy the meat. Then you need to do sacrifice. When you prepare your food finish, you have to give out again. If you don't give out again, when next you forget to buy salt, your body weak. You say, my own just finished yesterday. I told you in one of the programs before, you need to keep it under your bed. Salt, coconut, and one tea. Watch my program on Babaloye and Kede Show, you will see me there. Don't forget the program you are watching is Kede Show Television. My phone number again, 0810-8431-336. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Papa Oloye Original Television. Papa Oloye Original Television. And my last born comedy, Mr. Last Born Comedy. And you will see. You watch it, you see me there as well. I posted some videos there that will be helpful to you. Till next time when you meet me again, be very blessed.